In this video, we are going to learn how to use reflection probe in Unity. So before going to that part, I would like to show you guys something. Here you can see I have created a basic scene with two free light sources, and it's basically a moonlit night, as you can see it with the color of the lighting and the exposure of the environment. So before creating a reflection probe, uh, let's see how reflections work in Unity. So here I have created two reflective objects. One is the sphere and the other one is the cube. So I have attached a reflective material into these objects to so that they can reflect the environment. Yeah, there you can see basic reflections of the environment of the sky. Actually, we can see the sun here and the horizon and the ground. But this is not what we want. As you can see, these objects are inside this little room here. So we want them to cast the indoor reflection of this room. So how do we do that? So this is where a reflection probe comes. So we can do that easily by using a reflection probe. So let's see how. To create a reflection probe, we have to go to the hierarchy and right click into the light section. We will found our reflection probe. So we have created a reflection probe here. So first of all, let's see how a reflection probe looks. So a reflection probe is basically a cube shaped object which will which will capture the 360 image of that particular area. So let's place it into the right place where we want to store our reflections. To edit this box area, you have to go to the reflection probe component here, and there is a button to edit the reflection probes area. So we are going to click this, and you can see you can now see some points by which you can edit this total area. First of all, let's place it into the middle of this total room here. So you can do it in a very easy way and also a very precise way. So first of all, you have to go to the top view of the scene, and now you can just place the reflection probe here, and now we will go into it. This is the area that we want to store our reflection, but this is not precise. If I go to this, but I think this is also not the precise area that I wanted to reflect. So let's go to the top view again and click on this button here. Now we can make it more precise. I want the reflection up to this area, and let's see the other side of it, and this let's see from the front. Yeah, now we are all set. So this is the exact area that I want to reflect. Now to see the reflection, you have to go to in front of the reflective material here. So you can see there's this is now looks dark. Why? It's because your reflection probe is now capturing the reflection of this area, and these reflective materials will reflect the reflection which has the reflection probe captured. So, but the reflection probe is currently now baked. So, if you want to see any reflection, you have to bake the reflection probe. But there is also another options of there is also another type of reflection probe which is custom and real time. So let's see how real time looks like. So if I set the reflection probe type to real time, you can see an instant reflection of this particular area. You are not seeing any reflection in this cube because it's outside of the reflection probe area. So let's fix this. We set this a little bit back. Now you can see the reflection of this area, but it's very big reflection that we cannot see the total area of it. Let's fix this. If you go to the reflection probe component, you can see an option called box projection here, and there is a check mark box here. So if I just click this, you can see now the reflections are more natural. Yeah, if you are wondering about the reflection resolution here, this is very low currently. You can set the high resolution reflections from here in the resolution section. There are, you can go up to 220 48, but for now I'll set it to 512. So already it's looking more cool than before. So you can see a reflection probe is basically a cube map that represents the reflection of the objects present inside the area of the reflection probe. Now let's check the other type of reflection probe, which is baked. Now this is not actually showing any reflection because the type of the reflection probe is set to baked. Now we are going to bake the reflection probe. So there is a button called bake. We are gonna simply click on it, and you see the reflection probe is now baked, and now we can see again the reflection of our total area. You can explore it here by this panel. You see that 360 panoramic image is generated to show the reflection of the area. So that's how you can create and use the reflection probe entity in Unity, and it's so cool.